Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all feeling blessed. In today's video we're going to make this quick and easy barbecue air fryer chicken wings recipe. It's a quick and easy recipe, so we're going to get started. To get started with this recipe, we're going to add half teaspoon of baking powder to our chicken wings. Next we're going to go in with our ground black pepper, to add more flavor to these beautiful chicken wings. We're going to add our paprika seasoning, which is right there. Next we're going to add our garlic powder and sea salt, and then we're going to continue with this delicious air fryer barbecue chicken wings recipe. To continue with this recipe, we're going to massage the seasoning all over the chicken wings to make sure the wings are fully coated. That is what our chicken wings looks like. It looks nice and beautiful. We're going to place these beautiful wings in our air fryer. Now is the perfect time to set our chicken wings to bake. We're going to preheat our air fryer. We're going to set it to bake for about 20 minutes and 200 degrees. After baking for 20 minutes, this is what our chicken wings looks like. It looks nice and crispy, and the color looks so beautiful. We're going to transfer our chicken wings to a small size bowl. That's what it looks like. We're going to get our barbecue sauce. We're going to pour it all over these beautiful wings. And then I'm going to show you guys the final results of this air fryer barbecue chicken wings recipe. Absolutely delicious and quick and easy to make recipe. Now we're going to shake the chicken wings around just to make sure they're fully coated into the barbecue sauce. That's what our chicken wings looks like. It's nice and beautiful, and that's the final results of this air fryer barbecue chicken wings recipe. I hope you guys enjoy watching this recipe. If you enjoy the recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I hope to see you beautiful people in my next video. Thank you guys for stopping by. Take care. Bye guys.